Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy LB, and welcome back to my new tutorial video. Guys, it has been a while without seeing me on the camera, but I'm back. So today, I'm gonna show you how I create this cinematic frame composition in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here are the things you have to do. So I use some two different clips. Okay, the one I shooted on the green screen and the one I shooted on the black screen. So and then just put one and other one just to make it transparent, something like that. Okay, so this is the video which I'm going to show you the process how I did this effect. No plugin required. Now let's jump on it and let me show you how the process is. Let's go. On this workspace of the Premiere Pro, guys, here I have two different clips. Okay, so this first one, it is the one, yes, I shot on the green screen, you see. Okay, and then here I have the second one. Here I use the black screen. Okay, guys, now let me start. Just come up here on this first clip on the green screen one. Okay, first, and I'm going to remove this green screen. But guys, before I remove this green screen, I have to also remove this flat mode. Okay, that's why I have to come here on this color mode. Okay, and I'm going to remove this S log. Okay, now let me just come up here on this basic correction. Okay, and I'm going to import the rec 709. Okay, so here I'm going to use this, yes, S log 3. Okay, now you see how the clip it is already changed. Okay, and then guys, after removing this flat mode, okay, just come up here on this effect control. Okay, come here on this opacity, and I'm going to use this free draw bezier because I'm going to mask where the green screen it is. So guys, if you have the full green screen which fit into the full frame, okay, there is no problem. Okay, so first let me select where my green screen it is. Okay, so before I remove it, okay, and then I have to select this where the green screen it is, guys. Okay, all right, so now you see how this final result looks like. Okay, and then just come up here on this effect, okay, which is located on the project panel, and then search the effect which is called the ultra key. Okay, so it is this one, and then drag and then drop it here on this clip, guys. Then just come down here on this effect control, and I'm going to use this icon, okay, which is on ultra key settings, and then I have to click on this icon, and I'm going to pick on this green screen. Okay, guys, something like this. Now you see, guys, it is already removed but not perfect, so that's why I have to come here on this composite and then choose this alpha channel. Okay, so and then you see here I just want the white subject and then the black background. So open up this matte generation. So first, and let me deal with this transparency because I just want the white subject. Okay, the white subject, yes, it's clean. And then I'm going to deal with, okay, this black background. I have to remove this black background, guys. Okay, so I need also the clean background. Yeah, something looks like this, guys. Yeah, now you see, guys, now the subject is white and then the background is black. Okay, now just come here on this alpha channel, back to composite. Now you see how the clip it is. Yeah, this is really nice. And then after removing this green screen, guys, okay, you select this one clip, right click, and then go here on nest. Okay, and I'm going to nest it and then press okay, guys. Okay, after nest it, okay, and then just move it up one track above, and I'm going to create the black video which will goes down here. Okay, just come up here on this project, okay, and then go here on new item, go on black video, press okay, and then drag this black video down of this clip, and then you extend how long this clip it is. Okay, just click here on it, and then just come back here on this effect, and also and I'm going to add the effect which is called the tint because I just want the white background. Okay, so just move this tint on this clip on this layer. Okay, and then choose this white. Okay, I have to choose the white and then press okay. Now you see how the clip looks like. And then guys, after choosing this white background, just come up here on this clip, guys, and I'm going to for this subject, guys, and I just want to change into black. Okay, so yeah, and I'm going to use this lumetri color. Okay, that's why I have to come here on this basic correction. I have to remove all saturation, even the exposure I have to remove it all. The contrast I have to increase it to 100, okay, percent, and then the highlight shadow I have to put it on the minus 100, all of it. Okay, now you see how it looks like. So and then guys, when you're done, so I'm going to add my clip, this second clip on the top here, guys, or two. Okay, you see how this clip it is looks like. Okay, and then so first let me just also increase the contrast of it. Let me just come here on this curve also, and I'm going to use this RGB curve. I increase these things like this one, and then yes, because I just want the clean or the thick contrast. Okay, so when you're done, just click on this above clip, and then come here on this blend mode of opacity, and then I have to come back here on screen. Now you see how this clip it is. Okay, so first I have to reduce the opacity, yes, to reduce the scale of it. Yes, something like this, because I just want to, yes, the small subject. Okay, all right, yeah, this is real good. Okay, guys, but there is something which is, okay, there's something white which is on this subject. Okay, just you have to come here, guys, on this, okay, nested sequence. Okay, so where you have been removed your green screen. Okay, subject. Now you see, guys, how your subject looks like. Yeah, this is looks amazing. Now you see this subject on this black screen, this subject on the black background, it is inside on the subject which have been already shooted on the green screen. Okay, now you see how this frame composition it is looks like. Okay, and then guys, for all of it, if you have already do this, okay, let me just create an adjustment layer, because I just want to give them my own look. Okay, so all you can also give them the color grading at the same time. Okay, you have to create adjustment layer above this clip, and then also, guys, yes, you have to increase the contrast. Okay, to increase the saturation. Okay, yeah, something like this. Okay, so let me also give them some look on this black. Okay, so I can give it like, yes, something looks like a blue or green. Okay, looks like this. All right, so this is the final result, guys. This is how I create this cinematic, yes, frame inside the Premiere Pro. Yes, this is how you can create this effect, guys. This is the creative frame composition. This is the creative scene, okay, for almost zero budget. Okay, so guys, go to try it, and then if you have the same clip with this one, guys, okay, I think this video is gonna be helpful to you. All right, so if you like it, please don't forget to make subscribe and like, share, yes, comment, something like that, yes, in order to get some new update video about editing Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and After Effects. So, and that is it, and I will see you in next video. Peace.